Accepting that you're looking for the near show worth assumption or finding the capacity of this altcoin, this generally closed crypto esteem gauge can be valuable for you, which is very huge. This quote relies upon our significant, really concentrated examination and past shows of the near token, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Here we are exploring the expense of sort of near show coin for the accompanying 10 years, really, in spite of mainstream thinking. As data collected from the undertaking's webpage, the near show generally is a layer 1 blockchain system that especially is taking out the obstructions to Web3 gathering, or so they essentially thought. Near show sort of runs, cooperating with Ethereum, Polkadot universe, and that's just a hint of something larger. Thinking about the truly free movement of assets and correspondence between networks, which is genuinely critical. Near token for the most part has commonly unprecedented conceivable in the really long stretch due to the help of major areas of strength for pretty stages by giving high speeds, genuinely low charges, and kind of moderate UX. Close to's current circumstance, fair-minded blockchain certainly is ready for dangerous turn of events, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Under you will see the key estimations that we sort of have contemplated subsequent to devising our nearby crypto quote in an unpretentious manner. As per our in every practical sense near show cost assumption, the near show might actually sort of break its new auth level before long, expecting the market gets bullish in an especially huge manner. Regardless if the market double crosses the crypto, generally near show could experience an expense decline. This negative event could set off an expense rollback underneath 15 and truly could fall pretty further in an unobtrusive manner, as we basically find there for the most part is no genuinely specific technique for expecting the expense of any crypto with 100 accuracy, so the genuine expense can transform from our near show quote, or so they certainly thought. In 2022 cryptos basically are currently showing us low show, diverged from late years or so. They thought if the crypto market in every practical sense centers around placing assets into for the most part near show crypto, it could explicitly take off in the mid-month of 2022 in an unpretentious manner. Near show worth gauge 2022. Before all else seemingly forever of 2022, all cryptos in every practical sense are showing especially regrettable execution. Same with truly near show, or so they certainly thought. As per our specific examination, the near show coin essentially is supposed to contact a biggest worth degree of 2957, close to the completion of 2022, in an unpretentious manner. The expected normal expense of in every way that really matters near show can basically be around 2415 depending upon the market, or so they basically thought, while the base expense of most certainly near show can be down to 1766 for 2022. Accepting the market goes down. As per our assessment, the near regard will augment, considering the way that the decided expense for the year 2022 generally looks bullish, or so they thought. Near show worth assumption 2025 close crypto has a giant in every practical sense, reasonable eventually in an unobtrusive way with extra hypothesis and gathering. Near show could basically fabricate its sort of worth in the accompanying 5 years or so. They in a real sense thought by 2025, the especially typical worth degree of for the most part closed near show can be around 65-67, expecting everything goes fine in a very large manner, expecting the market gets bullish. The best expense of generally near show could rely upon 76-68 in 2025, really in spite of prevalent thinking, while the base expense can in every practical sense go down up to 59-51 in an unpretentious manner. Regardless, in case there in a real sense is any bull rally in 2025 could move towards certainly token for the most part break all its exceptionally past records and can contact one more record, especially high. Amazingly near show worth assumption 2030 this year can basically be the changing year for the crypto market. Close by fundamentally near show, a lot of crypto's characteristics can be at their zenith. As per our continuous generally near cost figure by 2030, near show can for the most part show up at a biggest level of 14,308 Expecting the near stage especially makes associations with the other blockchain stages and starts new drives. The expenses of certainly near show can generally take off in 2030 in a significant manner. In any case, the year 2030 can end with a normal expense of 13,831 with a base worth degree of 12,903 will move toward token explicitly reach 100 in 2025. As per our expense assessment, there truly is no sign that the near coin can reach 100 in 2025. Yet in the crypto market, the sky basically is the cutoff, as we especially have found in the past. A really unprecedented bull rally or fundamentally bear rally can whip every one of the expense assumptions instantly, in a genuinely large manner by relationship with sort of other blockchain associations, and by and large neighborhood. The near crypto could in every way that really matters hit its 100 center before our near show cost assumption, in a genuinely significant manner, what for the most part makes near crypto the especially the best altcoin. In an essentially huge manner, near crypto is generally called the most for the most part cherished altcoins among crypto sellers, in an unobtrusive manner, as indicated by the near show task site. The near blockchain network gives the barely the best environment to dapps and explicitly makes an architect an exceptionally simple to comprehend stage sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, moreover, familiarizes fascinating game plans with scaling issues and in a real sense, has its own special understanding part in an especially huge manner. The near show sort of token in a real sense has as of fundamentally late transformed into a notable choice among crypto vendors, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Beside the reputation aggregate, the crypto in every practical sense neighborhood to show most certainly is one of the altcoins that sort of is continuing to fundamentally cultivate its really own current circumstance, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Consequently, near show certainly is one of the most creative altcoins that gained monetary backers' eyes in the crypto space in a genuinely huge way. Is in a real sense near crypto a shrewd hypothesis in an all things considered significant way. Near show coin in every way that really matters is as of now seen as one of the most by and large renowned undertakings in the blockchain space. In a very enormous way, the near holders for the most part are growing bit by bit, and various crypto vendors especially are picking near show as its most critical altcoin in an especially significant manner. Buy near show positions in the for the most part primary 50 crypto coins in the crypto market, as per the data of CoinMarketCap. Following looking at the past shows and these circumstances, there generally is no doubt that basically near show coin basically is one of the most extraordinary choices to place assets into the genuinely long stretch in a very large manner. Regardless, we especially propose crypto dealers in a real sense do